for a 34 SIT. Ain't no more manual life, it's vert life, baby. Yeah. Tune into the channel, man. We got footage every day, man.
They got the whips today. Got the Bentley. C8s. Ooh, this mud's so hard. I'd take the red seatbelt out and put yellow on that. Yeah. Now this one, oh my God. I ain't even a blue fan, but this thing got blue everywhere in it. Now this one hard. They got the wing. I like that. It's a Stinger. Yeah, they got the Stinger. What is this one? 67 Camaro. That's ugly, man. I'm stuck on this one. Oh, it's a Stingray for real. It even say it in the seats. I didn't know they made a Stingray yet for the new ones. Stingray. This is a money maker right here, this 69 Camaro.
This is 58 grand.
Yeah, I believe it. Where you see it at?
Right there.
Oh, 58K. 67. Oh man, I said 69. This Corvette. No, I think this is Camaro. Yeah, it is a Camaro Z28. I'm in love with this thing. I want to know what the ticket is. We sell all the kids.
That one's 58.
Sell. I don't want that bit. That's when you sit in the back seat. This is what you drive. Can you see me in Hawaii with the top off? That's a Bentley. You don't put no kids in. You sit in the back and get chauffeured. You too. I want this. She want this. A Bentley. Oh my gosh. I can see myself in the heat with this. Slap me some 22s on here. Screen inside of a screen. Look at this, nice. Got this roof.
Get that screen turned on if you want to see what,
what
that looks like. Is that turned on?
Not yet. Now it's on. Okay.
See, I can't tell if that's turned on.
Oh, so
right now.
oh yeah, it does have the. Yeah, you look good. Get on it. It's clear, like in front of the
This one's
drive.
like the black facade there. I'm sitting over here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I like this. I do like this.
Yeah.
Wood grain, gray wood grain. Match the rest of the house too. This thing is nice. Series 2, Series 3. 3 big boy. I Oh yeah, you got the camera.